We turn now to a contamination investigation in the Lehigh Valley. Right now, the Pennsylvania Department of Health is looking into a Northampton County dentist who may have exposed patients to a number of serious diseases. Lehigh Valley correspondent Walter Perez live this afternoon in Mount Bethel to explain the details on this one. Walter.
Well, Brian, Dr. Palmer Couture opened this office behind me here 11 years ago approximately, and health officials say anyone who went to see Dr. Couture over those 11 years should go see a doctor and get tested. An investigation launched by the State Department of Health determined the office of Dr. Palmer Couture of Mount Bethel did not adequately clean, disinfect, or sterilize its dental devices. The concern now is over the potential that Dr. Couture's patients may have been exposed to HIV or hepatitis B and C. Northampton County DA John Morganelli says at this point he's unaware of anyone linked to this case becoming ill, so as of today the situation is under preliminary review.
If we think more is warranted, we open up what we would call then a full-blown criminal investigation, which means at that point we would assign one of our investigators to it to determine whether or not charges are appropriate or not. We're not there yet.
Dr. Rachel Levine, the Pennsylvania Secretary of Health, released a statement reading in part, "The inadequate infection control procedures at this practice could create the potential for harm, so we are recommending patients get tested." The health department has since delivered a cease and desist letter to the 82-year-old dentist, and Dr. Couture responded by voluntarily surrendering his license. People who live nearby are shocked.
You think you could trust going to a dentist's office or a doctor's office, but then when something like this happens, it makes you think, wow, that could have been me not knowing, you know what I mean? So definitely have to be careful of where you're going and make sure that it's a reputable business.
Meanwhile, Morganelli says he's just glad the health department uncovered the situation when it did.
It is a matter of huge public concern, and whenever people are at risk for serious illnesses that can be transmitted, HIV and hepatitis B and C, we certainly need to take a look at it.
Now, the office was closed today, not surprisingly, and our phone calls to Dr. Couture have not yet been returned.